Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we will be discussing about how to see recommendations on LinkedIn profile. Now, before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now, coming back onto the video. So what you need to do is simply click on your profile name on the top left side of your screen. Once you are here, now recommendations are a little bit down, so you need to scroll a bit down and you will be able to see various different options. And here under skills and on the top of interests, you can see the recommendations option. So you have your received recommendation and given recommendation as well. So you can see in the given, I can see an option, and in the received, once you simply click on ask for recommendation option, you will have something populated in here. That's how easily you can navigate the recommendations section. And that is it for this video. Now before we end this video, do not forget to get your 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.